Need to see that apple. Ready? Unboxing hits different. Can you see me in red eyes? Type with definitely smaller than to charge it or something. Hi guys, I'm sweating because I have emptied my bank account.
Mine is hot.
Thanks to him. Thanks to him.
For a better life.
I weighed my options and we realized getting something new is...
It's always the best experience to get something new. Always the best. No wahala, no nothing. That smell when you open it.
No, but I was literally crying because I'm broke. So if you're watching this and you want to support me by sharing this video, hitting the like button, watching all my videos and the ads. I mean, it's not much that's going to come, but it's something.
Some ads are long, Papa. 5 minutes.
And also, I have a jewelry shop. So if you would like some, pieces, kindly hit me up. You would love my pieces and purchase from me. That's the way you can support me. And of course, I host tours here in Ghana. Or, neighboring countries. In fact, everywhere. So hit me up. Let me plan your trips for you. That's the way you can support me.
Mechanic.
You can literally see me in red eyes. It wasn't easy. That's the gentleman who took my money.
I'll leave his address there so you can.
The way they are laughing, I don't like it. So he took my money.
I'll leave his address down there. It's butter trade. Actually.
I heard you have phones too.
Yeah.
It's okay. I don't have money. I don't have money.
Oh, buy the 14
But I actually need a new phone.
Buy the 14 Pro Max.
You take payment plan.
I can talk to. I can talk to my madam. Oh, she'll pay within 5 years.
That one, dear, no.
She will pay him like rent.
No.
She rents the phone from you. So every month.
I'll send in something. So guys, yeah, that's just this. So please support your girl. And we always do this for the passion of it. And yeah, more videos to come your way soon. No more ghosting. If I ghost, that means my bread. Hey guys, so this is me finally coming to do unboxing. Let me do that thing. So this is the MacBook Pro 2022 and it's an M2. Yes, so this is the sealed part and here we go. Oh my god, I can't believe I did. Okay. Oh my goodness. Saw a video and I just saw how the person was just taking everything off. That's when I knew I want to experience that. So, ready? This is how I get it out. Oh, okay. So that's what it comes with. The charger, which is a Type-C, and then this. I really hope I have an original head this time. I mean, it's new in box, so it's definitely an original, which won't destroy, I mean, that's what started the whole issue with my old machine. But now, we've got it new, And then this is like the manual to read. Let me just drop this patiently, beautifully. That's it for the box. So like I said, the manual Pro, all this, I mean, that's it. That's just all. Okay, to the main man. Okay, this is how you're going. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Ooh, fresh baby. I like how cute it is. So, I'm gonna get a case for it. Definitely smaller than what I had before, because I think what I had before was a 14-inch and this is definitely a 13-inch. There we go. Ha! I don't want to take it off. I just learned this is a fingerprint. So, you know, register my fingernails and all that. So, yeah. We got it. New baby, new baby, new baby, new baby. If you work hard and you buy your thing, unboxing hits different. You don't just... Anyways, guys, I have people behind me, so pardon me, I can't do this alone. Wait, don't you have to charge it or something?
Yeah, you may have to, but then sometimes it comes with some small parts, so just press it. No, just press it. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if there's going to be something. I need to see that apple. I need to see the apple.
Let them know that
Okay.
no juice, so you need to charge it.
Guys, apparently, if there's no power in a machine, it's called there's no juice. So I'm going to give it juice and come back. Alright? So I would let you know. But this is my new baby. Call her Lil Laudel. Alright? See you soon. Bye.
I want to turn it off.
Hola. I'm waiting for my hello. Bonjour.
First you want it off, so once you turn it off, so it's off now.